Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox unexpected client behavior error code 268. So let's get started. So here we are, and what we want to do first is we're gonna go into remove because we want to remove Roblox or uninstall it right here at remove programs, and you can search here Roblox right there, and as you can see it is right here, Roblox player, and install it right here. And let's just wait for it to load. And now what we're gonna do is go and search local app data right there, and you can see it right here. And what you're gonna do is go into Roblox folder right here, and you want to delete this one right here, delete it, and there it is. It has now been deleted, and we're gonna next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open CMD and run as administrator. Yes, right there. And we have here the commands that we are going to use. So first is IP config flush DNS. Let's just fix it. Flush DNS right there. And the next is network sharing when suck reset, and that's it. And next one is ipconfig slash release, but I'm not going to do it because it will reveal some sensitive information. I don't want to share it. So but in your case you want to enter this one, and the next one would be ipconfig slash renew, and that should be really fast and easy. And after you have done that, you can now go and exit. And what you want to do is install Roblox again. So after you are done doing all the steps that I told you, you can now go into roblox.com right here, and you want to log in first. And after you have logged in, you can go into discover right here, and you will see the games right here. So you want to select a game that you want to play. Let's say this one. And after that, you can click here, and it will prompt you to downloading the Roblox client again, and you want to download it and install. And after that, you can see that the issue is fixed right there. And that's basically it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.